fans range. Now, if you looked at the thumbnail at all on this video, I know what you're thinking.
Hold up, dude.
Weatherby doesn't make a 22. They do not, but they did. And I got one. So I'm gonna be shooting this thing at 50 yards, shoots the 5-shot groups, and see how she does. Well, that was not impressive.
No shit.
That was Ely Club. I can't stand that shit. All right, let's see what else. I got Ely Contact. Let's try it. I'm gonna fast forward through the reloading and stuff because I can't stand to watch it shit. I wouldn't expect nobody else to want to watch it either. For guys that are so curious, why is the scope setting up so high? It's because that's the only rimfire grooved rings I had. And I didn't want to use an adapter, which would get it up there just higher, and I had to clear that sight. Well, that's not bad for semi-automatic. What to keep you in mind, boy. Team. All right. Well, you gave us your best shot. Now, I played with this thing before. Last time I played with, Ely wasn't exactly its favorite ammo. Let me try one box of RWS Special Match. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and foul it off camera. Well, except for that one, it looked pretty good. A little bit left and right, but I can live with that. This gun has one feature I think I'm really gonna like. It's got a single shot option. You turn this thing on single shot and you can work it manually. I'm gonna shoot 5 more of these pistol match in that same group. Make sure that wasn't a fluke. This right here is showing some promise. They say it won't shoot good in semi-autos. I'll kiss your ass. That looked pretty good to me. All right, pistol match, show me now. Oh, man. Oh, you jinxing fucker. Holy shit. I thought I was on to something. Kiss your ass. Get your ass over there. That last one was me. All right, Don, at Rimfire SS, I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy. You were right, that shit'll shoot. All right, what is an SK rifle match? All right, come on, baby. Pretty damn good. I can live with that shit. I say, you guys may be thinking, man, that doesn't look that impressive. My 1022 will do that all day long. Okay, good for you, man. You got a 1022 that'll do that shit, you do your damn thing. My 1022s wouldn't do that all the time. It would do that some of the time. There is a huge difference. All right. I'm gonna shoot some more high velocity into that high velocity group. Make sure it wasn't a fluke. Was that pistol match? Told me a damn lie. We'll see if this does. I wish the hell Weatherby still made these things. I love them. This is about the third one I've had. This one doesn't have as good as wood as my other two, but all three of them would shoot like this. Once you find the right ammo, like most rimfires, it would shoot.